Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn JavaScript in FreeCodeCamp Easy Guide. Begin by signing up and choosing the JavaScript curriculum, then commit to a small daily practice routine of 30 minutes. Focus on fundamentals like variables, functions, and loops, and apply them in tiny exercises. Keep notes, revisit tough topics, and celebrate small wins to stay motivated as you progress through challenges and projects. Build a strong base by studying core concepts in short, focused sessions that you can repeat. Use FreeCodeCamp lessons, and then immediately code tiny examples to reinforce ideas like scope and closures. Mix reading with interactive exercises and aim to finish small challenges daily. When you meet a tricky topic, search concise explanations and try 3 different examples to solidify understanding and increase confidence. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh ride while you study. It's a tiny comfort that makes coding sessions nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, then get back to your coding practice. Now let's get back to the video. Turn lessons into real skills by building small projects that solve simple problems, like a quiz or to-do app. Use FreeCodeCamp project prompts, then personalize them with new features to practice DOM, events, and local storage. Share your code, get feedback, and refactor to make it cleaner. Treat each project as a learning step, not perfection, and gradually increase complexity as your confidence grows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.